students to standard 9th maths, chapter 9, areas of parallelograms and triangles, and we are in the 12th session, children. Okay, yes, we have been solving objective questions, MCQ. All right, so far we solved 8. Moving on to the next one, 9. But before starting objectives, we have seen some very important results. All right, so we'll have to recall those results when we do this objective questions. All right. Number 9. The figure obtained by joining the midpoints of adjacent sides of a rectangle. You are joining the midpoints, okay, of sides 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter is dash. Children, it's a rectangle. All right. Rectangle is given. And you are joining the midpoints of rectangle. So what you get? Rhombus. You get a rhombus. Correct, children? You get rhombus. ABCD, the red one, उसको हम rectangle बता देते हैं. और PQRS, that is rhombus obtained by joining the midpoints of adjacent sides. Okay. Now, the rectangle length is 8. This length of rectangle is 8 and the breadth is 6. So you can easily find out the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle ABCD is equal to length multiplied by breadth, that is 8 multiplied by 6, and that is 48. Okay, and now you know this figure, very important result, area of the green one, that is rhombus PQRS, okay, is half the area of rectangle. Half the area of rectangle ABCD. Correct, children? Result हमने देखा था ये. That is equal to half of, what is that? 48. And half of 48 is 24. So 24 square centimeter. So it's a rhombus. Rhombus with 24 square centimeter area. So answer is option A. Clear? Okay. Next one. The midpoints of sides of a triangle ABC along with any vertex as the fourth point make a parallelogram of area equal to. All right, children. This is now 10th one. You have a triangle ABC. Yes. Midpoints. Let's say P, Q and R. Now, this midpoints, 3 midpoints and any vertex. Let's take C. It forms a parallelogram. Correct? You have to find its area. The midpoint of sides of triangle along with any of the vertices as the fourth point make a parallelogram. This parallelogram equal to what area? Children, now this is very interesting. P and R are midpoints. Q and R are midpoints. P and Q are also midpoints. Let's join. Now you know these 4 triangles so formed have equal area. Alright. Here you are supposed to compare the area of this parallelogram formed by 3 midpoints and 4th vertex is what times is equal to what with area of triangle ABC. Children, very simple. Area of triangle ABC is what? See in the figure, x plus x plus x, that is 4x. And then find out the area of parallelogram which you need. Area of parallelogram PCQR. PCQR. That is what? X plus x. वो 2 triangles से बना है 2x. Now if you want to find this, take the ratio area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle quadrilateral PCQR is equal to 4x upon 2x. This cancels and 2. So area of parallelogram को subject to the formula बनाना, वो वहां गया. Area of parallelogram PCQR, okay, is ये 2 नीचे आया, half the area of triangle ABC. क्या ये आंसर है ऑप्शन में? Half. Yes, B. Half the area of triangle ABC. So by putting this x, this question becomes simpler. All right. Next, if AD is median of triangle ABC, all right, this is triangle ABC and AD is median. So D is midpoint. Children, D is midpoint. So ये दो triangle दोनों equal है. Their areas would be equal. XX. Area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ADC would be equal. I called it XX. Okay. फिर क्या है? P is a point on AC. P is a point on AC. Where is AC? Here. P is point on AC. Alright. Such that area of triangle ADP. So that means this triangle. And area of triangle ABD. That means this triangle. Area of triangle ADP is 2. So you may write upon area of triangle ABD is equal to 2 upon 3. Alright, children? Alright. Now what is the area of triangle ABD that you have called, children? X. X है ना? So उसको X बता सकते हैं. So area of triangle ADP is equal to 2/3 the area of triangle ABD. But that I have called it X. So 2/3 of X. Alright. Then what is area of triangle? Okay. Now area of triangle ADP is 2/3 of X. Now where is ADP? ये वाला. So this part is 2/3 X. Very interesting. और ये पूरा पार्ट जो है वो X है ना? ADC X है. तो ये पार्ट कितना होगा? क्योंकि आपको PDC ये वाला ट्राइंगल का एरिया चाहिए. सो पूरा X माइनस 2/3 X. ओके, एलसीएम निकालो. 3x माइनस 2x, x by 3. So this will be x by 3. This will be x by 3. Alright. Now ABC क्या हो गया? ABC तो x plus x. ABD x है, ADC x है. So ABC x plus x. ABC x plus x 2x हुआ और PDC x by 3 हुआ. So अब रेशियो ले लो. So x by 3 divide by 2x. So x by 3 multiplied by reciprocal of 2x is 1 upon 2x. So that is 1:6. So answer is C, 1:6. Okay, I may have done that complicated, made complicated. उसको थोड़ा आसान बना देते हैं. चलिए, this is triangle ABC. Another way, AD is median. अभी इसको मैं XX नहीं बता रहा हूं. Alright, you know these two triangles will have equal area. Then you have P a point and then you have this PD. The ratio is given. Area of this APD. Here it is. Area of APD and ABD. Alright, APD उसको मैं बोल दूं 2x. इसको बोल दूं मैं 2x. तो ये ABD, जो ABD है वो 3x हुआ. अभी आसान हो गया. ये ABD 3x तो ACD भी 3x और 3x में से ये 2x माइनस कर दो. सो बच गया x. दैट इज एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल. आर यू गेटिंग मी? यहां फ्रैक्शंस आता था, यहां फ्रैक्शंस नहीं आ रहा है. अब जो रेशियो चाहिए एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PDC वो तो x is to एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC 3x plus 2x plus x, that will be 6x. So that is x upon 6x. X cancel. So 1:6. Got it, children? Okay. Next. Medians of triangle ABC intersect at G. This is triangle ABC. उसका पहला मीडियन हल्के हाथ से मैं ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं. This AD. दूसरा मीडियन this BE. तीसरा मीडियन this CF. And this point is G. That point is G, centroid. So आपको 3 ट्राइंगल मिले. AGB, BGC and AGC. And they will have equal area x. अब क्या बताया है? Intersect at G. The medians intersect. That point is this. All the medians intersect at point G, which is called centroid. Now area of triangle ABC. That is 27. Area of triangle ABC. That is 27. And from the figure it is very clear. Area of triangle ABC is x plus x plus x. सो आपको 3x मिल गया, सो एक इक्वेशन मिल गया, सो 3x इज इक्वल टू 27, 3 1 जा 3 9 जा, सो x इज इक्वल टू 9। अब ढूंढना क्या है, देन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BGC, ये ट्राइंगल उसका एरिया तो x है, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BGC इज इक्वल टू x एंड दैट इज 9 centimeter square. So answer is B. Correct, children? I hope you understood that well. Moving on to the next one, and that is number 13. All right. What is 13th one? In triangle ABC, D and E are midpoints of side BC and AD respectively, such that area of triangle AEC is 4 centimeter square. Then what is area of triangle BEC? All right, figure draw करेंगे तभी मालूम पड़ेगा. This is triangle ABC. D and E are midpoints of BC and AD. D is midpoint of BC. So यहाँ D midpoint ले लो. So you got AD, that is median, children. AD is median, correct? Now E is midpoint of AD. अरे वाह, AD तो यहाँ है and E is midpoint. So EC is the median of green triangle ADC. So ये दोनों ट्राइंगल की एरिया इक्वल होगी और ADB और ADC की इक्वल होगी. काम बन जाएगा. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल AEC कहाँ है? AEC, दिस वन AEC, दैट इज 4, दैट इज 4 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो ये भी 4 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर हो गया, है ना चिल्ड्रन? और 4 और 4 8, ADC 8, तो ADB भी 8 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब ढूंढना क्या है? देन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BEC कहां है? B यहां है, E यहां है और C यहां है. अरे भाई ये मिड पॉइंट है, तो ये भी 4 और ये भी 4 हो जाएगा. BE भी मीडियन हो जाएगा ये ट्राइंगल का, ये आधा आधा, पूरा 8 है तो ये आधा आधा. अब BEC मतलब ये वाला, तो ये दो पार्ट है, ये 4 और ये 4, फिनिश. सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी 8. सो आंसर इज C, 8 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सीधा डायग्राम ड्रॉ करो और रिजल्ट्स एम्प्लॉय करो. चलिए, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. So I draw a parallelogram ABCD. All right. Now AE is perpendicular to CD. All right. यहां से dotted line draw के AE is perpendicular to CD. So AE is altitude and base is CD. Correct? Now CF is perpendicular to AD. CF. All right. C से AD के ऊपर, तो वो भी बाहर चला जाएगा. करेक्ट? ये CF. All right, is perpendicular to AD. तो ये उसका अल्टीट्यूड हुआ और उसका बेस AD हुआ. करेक्ट? All right. Now क्या है? AB equal to 12, AE equal to 7.5, CF equal to 15. Then AD is how much? Children, AD कहां है? ये AD जो ब्लू बेस है उसका अल्टीट्यूड का क्या है? FC. दैट इज इक्वल टू देन बेस CD इंटू उसका अल्टीट्यूड AE. यू नो दिस रिजल्ट, बेस इंटू अल्टीट्यूड इक्वल टू बेस इंटू अल्टीट्यूड. AD बेस है जो ढूंढना है, FC उसका अल्टीट्यूड है एंड FC या CF इज 15. सो AD इंटू 15 इज इक्वल टू CD इज इक्वल टू AB. AB 12 है तो CD भी 12, ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम, सो दैट इज 12. और AE वो 7.5 है, सो 75 अपॉन 10. 15 1 जा 15 5 जा 75, 5 1 जा 5 2 जा 2 1 जा 2 6 जा. You got simplification is quite simple. AD is equal to 6 centimeter. So answer is B, 6 centimeter. Clear, children? Okay. Next one. Quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. X and Y are midpoints of PQ and SR respectively. The diagonals SQ is joined. Then area of parallelogram XQRY is to area of triangle QSR is dash. All right. Parallelogram is given. So let me draw a parallelogram. The name of this parallelogram is PQRS. Correct? PQRS. All right. X is midpoint of PQ. PQ is here. Let me take X, it's midpoint. All right. And Y is midpoint of SR, opposite side. All right. Y. And see, PQ and SR are equal. So half of PQ and half of SR also would be equal. So ye rahe, same sign. All right. Now, area of parallelogram XQRY. XQRY. This. ये भी पैरेललोग्राम ही होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि this part is equal to this part. Half of PQ equal to half of SR. So this equal to this, या this equal to this, और वो parallel तो है. So one pair of opposite side is not only parallel and all, but also equal. So here also one pair of opposite side is not only parallel but also equal. So both this are again a parallelogram. All right. So this area of this, all right, would be what? With respect to area of triangle QSR. QSR. All right, children. ये triangle. Area of triangle QSR. Children, it is triangle between these parallels and one parallelogram is also there. SR, PQRS. Same base SR for parallelogram and triangle. So area of triangle is half the area of parallelogram PQRS. Correct? This is the result 1. Or area of QSR that we got. QSR we got. ये हमें मिला. अब this XQRS that will be half area of triangle parallelogram XQRS. ये that is also half the area of parallelogram PQRS. वो भी आधा हो गया. So children, ये parallelogram QXRS is compared with area of parallelogram PQRS. और ये triangle QSR, its area is also compared with area of parallelogram. So now you may take the ratio by 1 and 2. Area of triangle QSR upon area of parallelogram XQRS is equal to, yes, half of area of parallelogram PQRS upon half of area of parallelogram PQRS. Half cancel, these areas are also equal. So that is 1:1. 1 upon 1. So the ratio, answer is D, 1:1. This ratio of area of parallel, okay, इसको रिवर्स करेंगे तो भी वही रहेगा क्योंकि पहला ये है एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम XQRS, वो पहला चाहिए, और नीचे एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल QRS SR. ये 1:1 तो 1:1 ही रहेगा. करेक्ट? उल्टा करो तो भी सेम. दैट्स इट. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. देखो, area of triangle QRS is compared with area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram XQRY is also compared with the area of parallelogram PQRS. ऐसा ही कुछ यहां है, थोड़ा सा slightly different है. In figure ABCD and FECG are parallelograms. ABCD. So ये green वाला, correct? And FECG, ये red वाला, both are parallelograms. All right, of equal area. All right, children, green one, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram, बोलिए कौन सा नाम है? FECG. CG, दोनों की एरिया इक्वल है. All right, now children, area of triangle AEQ is 12 centimeter square. Where is AEQ? AEQ. This one is 12 centimeter square. Then what is area of parallelogram? FGBQ. What is area of this? This is what you are supposed to find. Children, समझो, this green one has two parts, this plus this, and the red one also has this two parts. See, I am calling it as part 1, इसको part 2 और इसको part 3. So green one is divided into part 1, part 2. ये part को नहीं ले रहे हम लोग, okay? ये पूरा एक ही part. And the red one is divided into two parts. So area of green is part 1 plus part 2. Area of red is part 2 plus part 3. So part 2 is gone. So part 1 equal to part 3. Area of part 1 and area of part 3 are equal. हो गया. अब ये भी तो parallelogram ही है. Correct? This is also parallelogram because this is parallel to this. These two are parallel, these two are parallel. तो ये parallel तो है. So it's a parallelogram. और ये diagonal है. Diagonal divides a parallelogram into two triangles of equal area. ये 12 तो ये 12 पूरा 24. Area of part 1 is 24. Area of part 1 हमें 24 मिला and that is area of part 3. So that is also 24 centimeter square. Though not easy, yes, if you understand, it's okay, fine, अच्छा है. चलिए, moving on to the next 4, and that will be the last 4 for this session, children. Okay, let's see the 17th one. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD, in which AB is parallel to CD, intersect each other at O. The triangle which is equal in area of triangle AOD is dash. All right, let me draw the figure. This is trapezium ABCD, correct? AB is parallel to CD. Diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. Then area of triangle AOD, this triangle is equal to area of what? Yes, it will be equal to area of triangle BOC. Answer तो मिल गया. कैसे? Children, ये triangle ABD is divided into part 1 and part 2. Triangle ABD. Similarly, triangle ABC is divided into 2 parts. यहाँ part 1 plus part 2 कह सकते हैं. ये part 1 और ये part 3. So part 1 plus part 3. But ABD and ABC, they lie on the same base AB and between the same parallels AB parallel to CD. So area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ABC. So part 1 plus part 2 is equal to part 1 plus part 3. Part 1 is gone. So part 2 equal to part 3. Part 2 is AOD and part 3 is BOC. Correct, children? Okay. Next. ABCD is a trapezium and AB is parallel to DC. Once again trapezium. ABCD is trapezium. Alright. And AB is parallel to CD. Area of triangle ABD. This one. Area of triangle ABD. That is 24 centimeter square. AB, that is 8. Then the height is how much? Alright, children. बेस आपको पता है, ये बेस है और डी से उसके ऊपर हूं डीएम परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप कर दूं तो उसको बोलते हैं अल्टीट्यूड या उसको बोलते हैं हाइट. नाउ यू नो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABD इज इक्वल टू हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट. हाइट हमें ढूंढना है, यहां है फॉर्मूला में. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABD 24 दिया है, हाफ इनटू बेस AB वो भी 8 दिया है इनटू हाइट H आई एम राइटिंग. 8 1 जा 8 3 जा 2 3 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा एंड दैट इज हाइट. सो हाइट ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. हियर यू आर, इट इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर? ऑलराइट. नाउ दिस वन इज द टफेस्ट वन. ऑलराइट. I'll need, suppose I believe I'll need more space. So this first I'm going to solve it. इसको पहले solve करते हैं. ABCD is a rectangle. I'm drawing it here. ABCD is a rectangle. O is any point in its interior. O कहीं पे एक point है. Area of triangle AOD. Area of triangle AOD. This one is how much? 3. Area of this triangle is 3. Area of triangle BOC. That is this one, BOC. That is how much? 6. Then what is area of rectangle? ये rectangle का पूरा area कितना है? Children, how can you get that? How can you get that? बड़ा आसान है. ये दो ट्राइंगल के बीच से एक पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करो. ड्रॉ अ लाइन थ्रू पॉइंट O पैरेलल टू BC. तो इसको भी पैरेलल हो गया. तभी ये ट्राइंगल ये पैरेललोग्राम से आधा. ओके. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल AOD इज हाफ द एरिया ऑफ पैरेलेलोग्राम, एरिया ऑफ पैरेलेलोग्राम ए, इसको मैं बोलूं पी और क्यू, ए पी क्यू डी, ए पी क्यू डी। उसी तरह इस तरफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल बीओसी, बीओसी इज हाफ द एरिया ऑफ पैरेलेलोग्राम पी बी सी क्यू, पी बी सी क्यू। लेकिन हमें तो पूरा चाहिए, ये पैरेलेलोग्राम प्लस ये पैरेलेलोग्राम, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ऐड करो, हाफ कॉमन निकलेगा। सो एरिया ऑफ पैरेलेलोग्राम ए पी क्यू डी प्लस एरिया ऑफ पैरेलेलोग्राम पी बी सी क्यू, और ये ट्राइंगल प्लस ट्राइंगल, ऑलराइट, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एओडी प्लस area of triangle BOC. All right. Now what is area of triangle here? Area of triangle AOD 3. So 3 plus area of triangle BOC, that is 6. All right, is equal to half into, very interesting, ये पैरेलेलोग्राम और ये पैरेलेलोग्राम दोनों का टोटल करेंगे तो एरिया ऑफ पैरेलेलोग्राम ABCD, ये 9, ये 2 यहां से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ, and that is area of parallelogram ABCD, that is 18. So answer is D, 18 centimeter square. I hope you have understood. Now we are going to solve 19th one, which is one of the toughest one. ABCD is a trapezium with parallel sides AB equal to A and CD equal to B. All right, let me draw a trapezium. All right, A, B, C, D. AB is parallel to CD. Now this AB equal to A and CD equal to B. All right. E and F are midpoints of non-parallel sides. Which are the non-parallel sides, children, here? Yes, AD and BC. So E and F are midpoints of non-parallel sides. Yeah, AD का E और BC का E. So if you join this, then the ratio of areas of quadrilateral AEBF, AEBF, oh, this is F, this is EAD, and this one is F, correct? Okay. Area of quadrilateral ABFE, all right, ये quadrilateral, इसकी area, all right, which is a trapezium once again, all right, and area of trapezium EFCD, ये red one, children, tough, मैंने पहले से ही कहा है. So green भी trapezium है, red भी trapezium है. All right, children. Okay. एक चीज देखो now. This diagonal, if I draw, suppose intersect at O, तो ये हमें पिछले वाला रिजल्ट याद करना पड़ेगा. All right. Line segment joining the midpoints of non-parallel side is parallel to the parallel sides. So CD is parallel to EF is parallel to AB. So children, this one, this is midpoint. ये midpoint है. All right. So this line segment joining, and this also would be the midpoint, क्योंकि a line passing through midpoint of one side. अब ये triangle आप consider करो, ACD, line passing through E, the midpoint of side AD, parallel to second side CD, bisects the third side. So this is also midpoint. अब this is line segment joining the midpoint, that is half the length of the third side. So EQ will be B by 2, B का आधा. उसी तरह ABC, this is midpoint, F is midpoint given, and this line is parallel to this, a line through midpoint of side BC and parallel to side AB of triangle ABC, then that line bisects, और वो तो already midpoint मिल ही गया है. So now this line segment joining the midpoint Q and F, not Q, this is O and F will be half of AB. AB is A, so this is half of 2, so that is A by 2. वो ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन है तो ऐसा ही करना पड़ेगा. All right, okay. Now one more thing, यहां से मैं एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करता हूं. तो लुक सपोज m, तो ट्राइंगल AMD मिला, क्योंकि मुझे अल्टीट्यूड चाहिए इसका, AMD मिला चिल्ड्रन. नाउ लुक, इन ट्राइंगल AMD is midpoint of AD parallel to AM, so it intersects in the midpoint, so ये भी midpoint ही रहा, right children. अभी ये जो मैं कहूं ना, वो सबसे बड़ा ट्रेपेजियम है, उसका हाइट है यहां से यहां, जो रेड बोला यहां से यहां, दैट इज हाइट ऑफ रेड वन, ओके. और ग्रीन का यहां से यहां ग्रीन का है, लेकिन चिल्ड्रन ये मिड पॉइंट बना, सो दिस सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज n, तो dn इक्वल टू mn, सो ये h तो ये भी h ही होगा. ऑलराइट, सो अल्टीट्यूड ऑफ दिस रेड ट्रेपेजियम इज h एंड अल्टीट्यूड ऑफ दिस ग्रीन ट्रेपेजियम इज ऑल्सो h. पहला कौन सा है? ABEF. ABEF जो ग्रीन है, तो मैं वो ले लेता हूं, एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम ABEF, दैट इज हाफ इनटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स AB प्लस EF, AB प्लस EF इनटू हाइट. चिल्ड्रन ये फॉर्मूला याद करो, एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम. ओके, सो हाफ इनटू, नाउ AB इज व्हाट? A प्लस EF इज व्हाट? चिल्ड्रन EF वो EO प्लस OF बनेगा, सो B/2 प्लस A/2 लाइक डिनोमिनेटर, सो होल अपॉन 2, यू कैन से B प्लस A और A प्लस B, A प्लस B होल अपॉन 2, सो इसको भी फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में, इनटू हाइट वी कॉल्ड इट h. ऑलराइट, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू हाफ इनटू दिस विल बी 2A प्लस A प्लस B अपॉन 2, सिंप्लीफाई करो, दैट विल बी हाफ इनटू 3A प्लस B. ये हाफ और हाफ 1/4 हो गया, और ये h पीछे है वो आगे ले लिया. दिस इज एरिया ऑफ द ग्रीन वन, ये ग्रीन ट्रेपेजियम का एरिया मिला. अब रेड ट्रेपेजियम का एरिया उसी तरह, हाफ इनटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स EF प्लस CD. CD B है और EF यहां है A प्लस B/2 अपॉन, और इनटू उसकी हाइट भी तो h ही है, सो हाफ इनटू ये होगा 2B प्लस A प्लस B/2. आप सिंप्लीफाई करिए, सो दैट इज ये h आगे लिया, 2 इंटू 2 4, एंड दिस इज A प्लस 3B. ऑलराइट, अब दोनों का रेशियो चाहिए, दोनों का रेशियो चाहिए. किसका रेशियो? पहले ग्रीन वाले का, सो ग्रीन वाले का h/4 इंटू 3A प्लस B अपॉन ये h, this is h, correct? h/4 into A plus 3B. h/4 cancels, so the ratio is 3A plus B is to A plus 3B. क्या आंसर है? Yes, ये रहा C. Answer is C. That's it, children. So I believe you had a tough session. Few objective questions were really tough. However, we tried to solve it in a simpler way. Hope you understood. So that's all in this session. See you in the next session, probably the last session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.